Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we're gonna continue the topic how to improve your tones.
登鹳雀楼，唐·王之涣。白日依山尽，黄河入海流。欲穷千里目，更上一层楼。
Another very beautiful voice. The student chose a very good poem. Single character, the student pronounced very completely. Good job. The tone, I must say, beautiful. You are already good. Yeah, but let's listen to it again. Let's check if there is a or okay.
登鹳雀楼
So, 登鹳雀楼. Excellent. 登鹳雀楼. Next one.
唐·王之涣。
Tang, perfect. This is a racing tone. This is a hard tone. But you pronounce it perfect. Tang, Wang, again, racing tone. When two high tone goes together, it's like a Tang, Wang, Tang, Wang. Yeah, perfect job. Maybe a little bit about Wang. Wang, the G you still need to pronounce by using your nose. So, Wang, Wang. The voice is pretty back. Wang, like this. Okay, 王之涣. Good. Next one.
白日依山尽。
It's already good, but if really I have to say something, so it is about 日. 日. You can add a little bit more power. So, 白日, 白日, 白日依山尽. 白日依山尽. Like this. Okay, next one.
黄河入海流。
I like the most is 入. 日 is not easy to pronounce, and with the falling tone may even make it harder, but you pronounce it perfectly. 入, 入. Okay, 黄河, again, two raising tone. 黄河入海流, and you did good job. This 海, you go enough deep. 海流, 海流. Next one.
欲穷千里目。
欲穷千里目. You know, I have nothing to say. Just perfect. 欲穷千里目. Last one.
更上一层楼。
Last one. If I have to say something, is about 一. When the second is raising tone, the first tone changed to falling tone. So we don't say 一层楼. We say 一层楼. 一层楼. We change the first tone to falling tone. This is about grammar. Okay, so 更上一层楼. I'm really happy to hear your voice, and it's really my pleasure to analyze your poem, because each single one, they are beautiful. Okay, I hope you can study harder, so in the future you can use your perfect tone for your spoken language. Alright, this is all for today. Hope you enjoy. Click like, subscribe. See you.